Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as I asked you on my Instagram, I'm going to show you what I got from BHAV shop. I will put a link to their website in the description. And I've opened most of this stuff already because I'm really impatient, but I'll just show you everything. And I'm also going to review this watercolor set later in the video, so keep on watching. So first, simple stuff. I just got 4 of these little, I think these are 6 by 8 inches, and it's small, and I love painting on small canvas boards, so that's what I got them for. And the next thing is this one. This is acrylic paint in titanium white, and I was running out of acrylic paint, which is the main reason I went to the website in the first place, but ended up with all this at the end. So yeah, that's the second thing. Next, I got what are these called? Pigment liners. And this is from Steadler, and it has all these different sizes. I especially got the whole set because it had a brush pen in it, and I really wanted to try that. So next we have this. This is just a simple notebook from BHAV, and I really like the color of the cover, which is the main reason I got this. And I got the blank page version. I think you can also get a dot grid one and a lined one, but I got the blank one because I wanted to use this for doodling and sketching, pencil sketching. So yeah, next is this, which is my absolute favorite, and I already opened this one, and this one's not open. I got it in 2 colors. This is a sketchbook by Lekhnekorne. It also has a little pocket flap at the back, and this is 120 GSM paper according to the website. And this is one of the best quality art journals or sketchbooks that I have ever found online that is available here. I don't know about the others, but for me this is one of the best. The pages are, I think, thick enough for watercolor as well, but I'm not sure. I will try it out later. And the cover is kind of like soft leather. It also comes with this strap thing and a ribbon bookmark, which is always handy. So yeah, I had to get the blue one as well because these are my favorite pastel colors. This is really good quality, I think, and I highly recommend it if you want to start an art journal, a sketchbook, and I think it will be good with watercolor as well, which I will confirm later in the video. And the last thing that I got is this Koi watercolors pocket feel sketch box, and this is the metallic and fluorescent colors. So I already opened it already and tried it as well, but I'm just gonna show you. It's this small little box that fits in my hand, and it has 12 colors in it. It comes with this brush pen and a little sponge, and it has 12 colors. These 4 are the metallic colors, and these are all the fluorescent or neon colors. So we have silver, light gold, deep gold, copper, neon yellow, neon orange, neon red, fluorescent rose, I think, or pink, and then fluorescent magenta, fluorescent violet, fluorescent blue, and fluorescent green. so yeah, that is it. So I will be moving on to testing out these watercolors, and maybe also this one if it is suitable for watercolors. So let's move on to that one. Okay, so this is the review or testing part of the video. So we have our watercolor set here, and I've already filled the brush pen with some water. This is watercolor paper, hot press 300 GSM. This one is a paper that I got out from the sketchbook that I just got. So let's start with our little watercolor paper. I cut this up to fit in my box so that I can put it here all the time. So I'm going to start with silver. Try it on the sketchbook paper that we have. Okay, so I think this one is dry, so I'm just going to use my pigment liner to name all the colors. This is the watercolor paper, and you can really see how pigmented the colors are. And this is my current sketchbook that I'm using. I don't know what GSM this paper is, but this is what it looks like on this paper. And this one is the page from this journal, and you can see it doesn't really bleed through, but it makes the paper go like this. This bothers me. I don't know if it does bother you, but I would not like my art journal pages turning like this whenever I use watercolor on them. So yeah, that is it for that. And as for this set, I really recommend it. I love it. If you love neon colors, if you love metallic colors, my favorite one is the light gold because it's really subtle and actually really pretty. And the copper, these are I think I like all the metallic colors, and if you're into neon colors, you can get them. This one's really cheap, it's really cute. The brush pen is of a really good quality. You have the sponge as well. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review testing part of the video helped you in some way. So I think that is it for the video. I have my little watercolor card that I can actually put here, and it also comes with this thing. You can just put this on here so that the water does not spill, and you can just take it with you. And that is it for my review and my little mini stationery haul. So this is my second purchase, I think, from BHAV shop, and they've always impressed me. All the things that I buy from them are always like the best quality. Packaging is great, the delivery was great. They take some extra delivery charge because of the lockdown, but I think it was worth it for me. So yeah, that is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this little extra video for this week. Bye.